The Kindle Scribe just got a major upgrade. And this time, Amazon didn't just polish the edges, they've redesigned their biggest Kindle from the ground up. Thinner, smarter, faster, and yes, even bigger. Welcome to the Kindle Scribe 2025 lineup, where the digital notebook finally feels like real paper. The chunky grip on one side? Gone. This new Kindle Scribe now has symmetrical bezels on all sides, looking more like a sleek tablet than ever before. It's lighter, slimmer, and taller, yet packs an 11-inch, 300 ppi glare-free display, up from 10.2 inches on the original. Amazon says the new texture-molded glass mimics the feel of a real notebook, with improved friction for your pen strokes. And the parallax, that tiny gap between pen and ink, has been reduced to almost zero. The result? Writing that looks and feels instant. There are now two versions: the Kindle Scribe, 3rd generation, with built-in front light, and the Scribe without front light, for those who prefer simplicity and longer battery life. Both models share the same premium build, but the standard one includes 32 gigabytes or 64 gigabytes of storage. The non-lit version? Just 16 gigabytes. A minimalist approach, maybe too minimalist for 2025. Under the hood, Amazon has given the Scribe a much-needed performance bump, a quad-core processor, and more memory for smoother, faster note-taking. But the real leap comes from AI-powered tools. You can now search smarter, summarize reading material, and even send notes directly to Alexa. It syncs seamlessly with Google Drive, Microsoft OneDrive, and even OneNote, turning the Scribe into more than a reader. It's a productivity hub on e-ink. Still, not everything's perfect. There's no Wi-Fi 6, no waterproofing, and no wireless charging, features we'd expect at this price point. Battery life remains impressive though, up to 12 weeks with the front light and 16 weeks without. And the box skips the charger. It does include a premium pen, replacement tips, and a USB-C cable. The new Kindle Scribe 3rd generation starts at $499 for 32 gigabytes or $549 for 64 gigabytes. The front light free model arrives early next year at $429. Not ready to spend that much? Amazon still sells last year's model, now just $339 for the 64 gigabyte version. The 2025 Scribe doesn't try to reinvent reading, it refines it. With a larger screen, smarter tools, and a writing experience that's closer than ever to paper, Amazon's biggest Kindle is finally growing into its potential.